Divas, there's a lot of carbs in my house. We eat a lot of bread. I'm Haitian. Of course, I eat bread and butter all the time. All right. Us Caribbean folks love our bread and our butter. But I can't put my family on a diet. I have to eat a little smarter than they do. So this is what I do. So this brand, these two brands here, one of them, so this one is 130 calories for one slice. This brand is 160 for one slice. Okay? So, and it's halfway done, almost done. I have to buy a little smarter and eat a little smarter. So I get the fiber one. The fiber one, Divas, look, a slice of this, it's a little bun. This whole thing here, that's sliced for you, it's 90 calories. So you can make a little sandwich, BLT. You can have this with peanut butter and jelly. Only 90 calories, and it has more fiber. It has, I believe, let me double check before I announce. So it has 5 grams of protein and it has 6 grams of fiber. Okay. So whenever I work out my legs, my lower body, we're jumping on this. This is my carb treat. Okay. So it's all about eating smarter and shopping smarter. So you don't have to eliminate everything from your diet. I stopped doing that because I know when I reintroduce these foods in my diet, I gain the weight back. So I try not to eliminate it completely. And a friend of mine, we went to Target to get some snacks, and we bought rice cakes. I didn't realize there's so many ways to eat rice cakes. You can top this with anything. It is so good with sardine. It is so good with avocado. So many ways to eat rice cakes. And one of this, I believe, one, I'm not going to quote, don't quote me yet until I read, confirm with it. One rice cake is only 45 calories. So you can have 2. Okay. So divas, don't starve yourself, just eat smarter. And if you're working out and you have a goal to maintain your shape and build muscle, you definitely want to feed your body what it needs to sustain what you're trying to do. All right. But if you want to cut out carbs completely because you're trying to lose the weight fast and you want something drastic, you want a dramatic weight loss, that's up to you. Some people do very good with dramatic weight loss. I am your dramatic weight loss. I can do that and be fine. And the goal is to have a plan when you're done. So if you're going to do a dramatic weight loss and cut carbs, what is your plan when you're done to maintain that weight? And just be sure, just know that you are going to gain some more weight back once you reintroduce uh, normal food, once you transition to a diet to help you maintain that weight. It's all about having a goal, divas. All right. So have a plan, have a goal so you can get some good results, period. All right. Depending on your goal, right? Find a nutrition plan that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Especially if you don't like working out a lot, find something that you can follow that's not going to sabotage you. All right.